Hi, I'm Advocate Akriti Arora and welcome back to my channel. You're watching Law Se Dosti. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any legal update. So without wasting your any minute, we'll be starting with important case laws for March 1st, 2 weeks. That is, I'm talking about March 2022 here. Okay, so let's begin. Right. So starting with the first case law, you can note it down or else I'll upload another video in which I'll be uploading notes of the same. Here you can just have a look what I am saying. So starting with the first case law, that is in Karthikeyan versus State of Tamil Nadu. In this case law, Supreme Court allowed 50% reservation for in-service doctor in super specialty courses in Tamil Nadu for 2021 to 2022 academic year. Next case law, let's study here. That is Hamiduddin versus State of Rajasthan. And in this case, 1993 blast case, that is Supreme Court directs TADA court to complete trial against an accused by 30 November. Next, SEBI versus Vital Communication Limited. In this case, what happens is that the Supreme Court states stays the order of Securities Appellate Tribunal imposing 8 lakh cost on SEBI. Right. So next, let's move further. Neetu Singh versus State of UP. In this case, failure to pay rent is not penal offense. The Supreme Court quashes FIR against a tenant. And this case is actually, it's still going on. And the question is whether it is to, when the appellant vacated the property, that is left open to be decided in civil proceedings, right? So in next case, let's study this case also. I'm just giving you the headliners right now so that you can remember what case laws were important in these first 2 weeks, right? So yeah, and why I'm telling you all that, because these points are important for your competitive exams also, because be it CLAT or any other legal competitive exam, only the topics which are recent are asked. Okay, so this is one of the recent topic which is going on, that is section 34 of IPC, and it states that pre-arranged plan has to be established for conviction invoking common intention. So this is the case of Radha Chandra versus State of West Bengal, right? Next, let's move further towards JB Dharnal versus Union of India and others. That is, the Supreme Court has issued notice in a writ petition filed by Vice President of Sikkim Democratic Front challenging the appointment of Mr. Prem Singh Tamang as Chief Minister of Sikkim and reduction in his disqualification period from 6 years to 1 year. Right. So next case, what happens is that the next case name is Arjit Shukla versus Arjit Shukla and others versus Union of India. The Supreme Court adjourned a petition by 3 civil service aspirants who missed out the paper of Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) civil service main examination due to COVID, seeking relief for Friday, that is March 25th, 2022. So they missed out because of COVID. They were not able to give their exam because of COVID, right? So let's see. The next case, case title, we can read it here as under mentioned. And in this case, police were swayed by the fact that they belong to a particular community, and Gujarat High Court orders probe into custodial torture of 2 couples, right? So yeah, these were the important case laws for you. Next, let's move further towards general awareness as well. So we'll sum up within few minutes. That is the World Sparrow Day celebrated every year on March 20. You can read here. Then International Day of Forest 2022 theme we are talking about here is forest and sustainable production and consumption. Then I have mentioned here about the craft Mela at Surajkund. Well, it is not very much important for your competitive exams, but it is part of general awareness. So I have mentioned it here. You can read it, right? Next, let's study about the former Indian cricketer Suresh Raina has been awarded the prestigious Sports Icon Award at Maldives Sports Award 2022. Tokyo Olympics gold medalist Neeraj Chopra claimed the Sports Star of the Year award at 2022. Okay, and new book title More Than Just Surgery: Life Lessons Beyond the OT, authored by I've mentioned her here, you can read it. So this is also one of the very important book, that is Life Lessons Beyond the OT. Then weightlifter Mirabai Chanu, who claimed the silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics. This point is also important because received Tokyo Olympics, received the Sports Star of the Year Female Award. So she received the Sports Star of the Year award. Okay. Next, let's move further. You can read here. Tesla founder. About I have written something about Tesla founder also. Let's read it together. Okay. And Tesla founder Elon Musk has bagged the top position on 2022 M3M Global Rich List. Okay, and the total net worth of $205 billion. So that's what I have mentioned here about Tesla founder and Elon Musk. Then let's also talk about Global Recycling Days observed every year on 18th of March to recognize the importance of recycling as a resource, not waste. Theme for 2022 is recycling fraternity. Okay, and I've also mentioned here Karolina Bialawska from Poland has won the title of Miss World 2021. She was crowned by 2019 Miss World Tony. And let's move further. Yeah, so I'll be uploading my notes as soon as this video gets over. I'll be uploading the notes as well. So, or else I can do that. I'll upload the notes after this video. Okay. So yeah, you can subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon. And if you liked my video, do comment, share. Okay. And goodbye. Take care, you guys.